Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a backup of your data on the POCO C85. Okay, so to create a backup we need to open up our settings, open them up, now scroll down, or actually don't scroll down, it's the fastest way, simply open up the search bar and type backup and restore right in here. And now we can create the backup from the Xiaomi cloud and the Google backup. Those two options are the best and the most comfortable. Don't even look at those above because they are taking a lot of time and it's not even worth creating them. So let's create first the backup using the Xiaomi cloud. First we need to sign into our Xiaomi account. If you don't have one, you can always create it. And now I will log in and I'll see you once I will sign in. Okay, once you have logged in, it will ask for permission, so click on the settings, click on the app permissions, if you have some things that are not allowed, simply click on allow for all of the things that are not allowed yet, so allow for everything. Okay, just like that. And now go back. Okay, and now select the backups. Click on allow. If you want, you can enable the automatic backups, but I think it's not necessary. Now to create a backup, click on backup now. And now the process has started. And now we need to simply wait until it's done. Alright, you can see that the backup has been successfully made. Now click on done, and now our backup is saved in the Xiaomi cloud. Pretty easy thing. So that was the first method. And now let's go into the Google backup, which is also pretty cool. Click on the backup right in here. And now make sure that under the backup details everything is turned on. In my case, other device data is turned on, but photos and videos aren't. So let's click on them and let's enable the backup right in here. Okay. That's all. We can go back. I want to close it, and now it's enabled. Okay. So make sure that everything is enabled. Okay. Everything is now successfully selected. But if you don't know into which Google account you are currently selected, we need to make sure on which Google account we are actually creating a backup. So go into the normal settings, scroll down until you find the Google, and in here you can see the Google account that you are currently logged into. On that account our backup will be saved and stored, so if you want to restore that backup in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you can see right in here. Okay, now let's go back into our backup. So let's type again backup and restore. Backup. Actually, you could also find the Google account right in here. Select the backup, make sure that everything is on, and now click this green button, backup now. Now the process will start, so we need to wait a little. And now in here a small circle appeared, and as you take a look, it's starting slowly to fulfill. And when it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully made, and I'll see you once it's done. Alright, when it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully made. And we can also see it under the other device data that everything has been made 0 minutes ago, so that's like a confirmation that everything went successfully. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.